stressful morning.
Stressful.
Oh my God. We're now boarding. It's afternoon.
I've been up since 6 o'clock.
Yep,
I'm
afternoon.
sleepy and hungry.
Parking was a disaster. The ship didn't get in until 8:45.
Yeah.
People were still getting off just short time
We're
ago.
getting on now, though.
So we're getting on now. Oh boy.
Here we go.
All right, here we go. I need a week. So we threw our bag in our room, and now we gotta go down to A5, which I believe is in a theater, to get our mustard grilled.
Yeah, I gotta get that down, then we can go get something to eat.
Yeah, not like the last time we did it, but they said we didn't, but we did.
9207.
pretty good.
What do y'all think about this?
Looks nice.
Thank you,
Little
man.
baby face.
Very good.
We'll bring it to you.
All right.
Your suit behind you.
Cobb salad to start with.
So we met Carrie and Pat 2 weeks ago.
Yep.
We were on the Paradise,
I got
and they were
chicken
dinner
soup,
right
rice
beside
soup,
us.
and
We started
roasted
talking
tomato.
to them. We cruised a lot.
Terry got the braised short rib. I know, you find it hard to believe, a Cobb salad. Look what this guy got.
Oh, and they actually brought you the hair section.
What is that, shrimp?
What is that? Oh, that's
Shrimp and dead seaweed and the worm.
Terry got the fruit plate.
And I'm looking at his feet. He's doing this to his feet. That's Daddy Doc. I don't.
I don't know if I want that now.
Okay, enjoy. That's very nice.
Thank you. All right, so welcome to the Carnival Vista, day 1 of 8. We got our
Something
free
new.
gift, something new. They changed the gifts.
Remember we couldn't get what's those things called? The packing cubes.
Packing cute.
And
We got like
now
1 million of
We
those.
got those like for a year. Now we got some new. It's a water bottle.
But-
Carnival.
With a magic twist.
Then it expands so you can fill it up more. And then it goes down and collapses down. So
Sort of.
Yeah, it does. It goes from the top to the bottom. See how much bigger it is? And then if you want to collapse it, you push it.
Yeah,
Push it real good. And then push it down. And it goes back
then-
down middle.
and then it looks like that.
This
All right. So anyway, it's
something
that
new,
time.
something to play with, something new. But if like I'm riding my bike or something, I want to put this on. It is pretty cool actually.
Yep.
But I do like the packing cubes.
We got like 7,000 of them.
I like those. And I like the little carnival bags they gave us before the packing cubes. So,
right.
oh good, thank you, Carnival.
So anyway, heading south to Aruba, and it's that time.
We're closing out the night. Then we might go watch the World Series because it's coming on. When it's on TV, and see who wins. Go Dodgers.
You know where she's going. You know where I'm going.
They're not our favorite team, but out of the two, that's who we pick. That's who we cheered for. Dodgers.
Okay.
So, cheers to a wonderful cruise. We're out here for 7 more days.
We ain't got through the first one yet. All
Yes.
right. So anyway, we've seen a couple people we already know and recognize us. So cool. All right.
They
So
said they watch our channel, so thank you.
yep. All right. So we're
So,
going.
cheers to Party with Cruises.
All right.
And Party.
We'll see you tomorrow. It's a sea day, and then another sea day.
No, Pat said he does have an excursion tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm going skiing behind the boat.
Skiing behind the boat.
Cool excursion. You should try it. Then they lock you up. All right. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.